The first step in ceramic 3D printing is slurry preparation. High-purity ceramic powder is combined with a specially formulated photosensitive resin binder. Through precise formulation, excellent slurry fluidity and curing performance are achieved. A planetary mixer is then used to ensure thorough blending of the ceramic powder and photosensitive resin. A ball mill can be used for large-scale slurry preparation. In this step, a 3D model is required, which is imported into slicing software for slicing. Printing parameters such as exposure time, layer thickness, and light intensity are set based on material properties and printing requirements, then saved to a USB drive. Insert the USB drive into the printer and configure the printing parameters. The key is to control the exposure time and intensity to ensure precise curing of each slurry layer. Pour the prepared slurry into the printer's tank, and the printer cures the slurry layer by layer. Each layer is cured to the set thickness using the digital light projection system. Now, printing begins. Ultraviolet light is used to expose each layer according to its sliced shape. This cures the slurry layer by layer, building up to form the complete green body. Then, take out the printed sample. In this step, necessary post-processing is performed to ensure the product's surface smoothness. Use a solvent to clean off residual slurry and support material from the surface. Then use compressed air gun to remove any excess slurry. After drying, the green body is debound and sintered according to the sintering profile. It removes organic components and densifies the ceramic particles. This step is key for converting the green body into the final product and is time-consuming. After high-temperature sintering, the ceramic sample reaches its final strength and stability. The product has excellent strength, heat resistance, and chemical stability for long-term reliability in harsh conditions. After high-temperature sintering, the final product is finished. Further surface treatments like grinding, polishing, or glazing can improve smoothness and appearance. This is the complete process of our ceramic 3D printing. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact us.